Hello, everyone. It's Han here, and Holly. And before we get started, all the time, I'm gonna say it again. Thank you so much for suffering through the cringe of watching our video. And to make sure you never miss out on doing it, make sure you go hit the notification button. And while you're down there, hit the subscribe button and like button. And don't show them your food. And we have a special guest, Nevaeh. Hi.
There.
Don't do that. Applause meter. Okay. She's stuck. It's stuck. Go ahead. So today we're just going to do a normal vlog. So actually, no vlog. What we're going to do today is we're going to react to stuff. Or we're going to like do stuff. Yeah. So, we're going to try and find press the button challenge. I've never heard of that.
The
You haven't?
button. No.
Okay, ready? I don't know if this is right. Yeah. Aaron, will you do something with them while I'm doing this? The button.
We're eating.
Yes. Eating?
I'm full. I don't want to eat.
Oh, okay. Okay.
We'll have it. How can we give
Alright, ready?
cream cheese? It's a English ramen.
Ready? Okay, so the question is...
Wait, you want it? Yeah.
Ready? We're gonna start. I found it. Ready? You can control people's minds, but you can only for 48 hours. Don't have to be consecutive per person. And when you stop, the victim will know exactly what you did. Will you press the button?
I'll press the button.
I will. I'm not gonna press the button. Wait, would you press the button, Nevaeh?
No.
Yeah, I wouldn't. So that's 2 against 1. So let's see. I will not. Okay. So the result. Oh. So, if you can see, I don't know if you can. The bad lighting. Okay, that spot right there. No, you can't see. You can't see anyways. But it just says that 60% of people did press the button and only 40% didn't. So let's move on to the next one. Okay. Hurry up. It takes to load. So while we're doing this, let's see. Waiting for this. Okay. So you will be beamed aboard a spaceship and befriend the aliens and explore the entire universe with them, using their technology to expand your life and health for several thousands of years. But you will never return to Earth and never find another human being or someone compatible to love. I would press the button.
Me too.
Would you?
Oh,
Yeah, that was fun. Only 48% of people pressed the button. 52% of people didn't.
Remember, guys, this is just an app. Nothing of this happens in real life.
Yeah, it's this good. Ooh, I got it. See, right there. Hey, so gotta get it. Oh, perfect. That's bad angling, but okay. So right there, you can kind of see it. Yeah, right there. There. Yeah. Okay. You can go to any fictional world you want to go to, which is not real world. Back and forth, anytime, anywhere. But you'll remember nothing from it. I would press the button.
I would.
Would you?
No. I don't think I would.
Really? Why not? You just don't want to forget things like that?
Yeah. Well, I don't want to forget stuff.
What?
I don't want to forget.
No, it says, but you will remember nothing from it. So it's not like forgetting like your present life. It's just not remembering that it happened.
No, don't press the button. I wouldn't press the button because I would want to know.
Yeah, but you'd still do it, but yeah, not. I win. 70% of people press the button, 30% didn't.
Oh my gosh.
But it's not really a winning game, it's an opinion. Okay. You would get all of the Steam games for free.
What's Steam games?
Comment down below if you know what Steam games are.
But you can only play them offline.
I don't want to say press the button because they could be like something bad or inappropriate or something.
Yeah, I won't take the chances.
So, yeah, and I don't want like to offend anyone or, you know.
Anyway.
So I'm just going to not do it. 57% did. Okay, I'm confused. Okay, yeah. Comment down below if you know what a Steam game is, please. Please. You will become ripped and look exactly how you want. But an unknown, one-day-old, ill African child is...
I will not. I'm not doing that.
I'm not doing that. It says, wait, it says you will become ripped and look exactly how you want. I think that means
I think you would get like luck.
Yeah. No, I'm not doing that.
But then
But an unknown, one day, not a year, not 1 day old.
Ill African child.
Ill African child
is killed.
Absolutely not. I swear, anyone.
I would not. What? They probably didn't read
There
the
was-
thing. Oh my god.
61% pressed the
Pressed
button.
the button.
They probably
39% did not.
That's the whole game. It's like a would you rather type of game. Of course they read the other button. That is awful.
Well,
What the heck did I do?
I would not want to do that. I would just understand the
meaning of life,
but never have an organism. Again, what's an organism?
I think it's like organization.
I don't know. That's an organism. I think it's.
I'm just not gonna.
Yeah, I'm gonna. I don't know what it is, so.
And I don't do stuff that I don't know what it is. 40% of people pressed the button. 60% didn't. True peace shall rise. All wars forever cease, and humanity finally evolves from its selfish state it once was. So it's pretty much like everything's good again.
Yeah.
But a great war will erupt, killing billions. No country is spared. Families torn apart. But what I'm confused about is it says, true
It will
peace shall rise. All wars forever cease. So that don't make sense.
Nope.
Because it says all wars forever cease, but a great war will erupt.
Yes,
That doesn't
like
make
maybe just in that time.
I guess I won't do it. Because, I mean, that's... 60% didn't, 40% pressed the button.
Alright. Okay, so we're gonna be doing 2 more, then we'll do our outro. Yeah. We should play Truth or Dare. We should play Truth or Dare.
Okay. Not yet.
Sorry.
We're gonna be posting a lot today, so because we're going to the beach. Not telling which one, because that's private. But we're going to the beach, and we're gonna be like playing games there and stuff. So
Who cares what beach we go?
you can teleport anywhere at any time. So is that like you could teleport
You
from
can go-
here to over there?
Yeah, you could just teleport.
But you can't run. I would so take that because I could just teleport.
I would take
Yeah.
that.
I would press the button.
That'd be so cool if softball just be at home. Boom, 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 boom.
Yeah.
You wouldn't have to run because you could just
Okay.
teleport.
Yeah. 83% of people said yes, and then the other 17 said no. You can change your physical appearance in any way, at any time, including swapping genders. Okay, you can do that already. But you will never be able to look the same way twice. As in, like, days. Like, you have to look different every day. I don't think I'd do that. Because I mean, you can already, if you don't like your gender, you can already switch your gender.
Okay, well that's it, and we will not do that. But
yeah, we're not doing it.
Well,
we want to see the results. I want to show them the results. All right, 74% of people did, 26 didn't. Which you can already switch your appearance.
Okay, so did
plastic
you like
surgery, transgender.
Yeah.
I mean, that's fine if you want to do it.
Did you like this video or not? We want to know. Put it in the comments below.
And also,
want us to do.
Tell us what a Steam game is.
Yes. Yes, please.
I don't know what that is. I'm curious.
Okay.
Bye. Thank you so much for watching.
Hope you subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell.